Ring Alarm puts a ring of security in and around your home using different types of security devices. The base station provides security for your entire home. The contact sensor monitors a door or window in your home. The motion detector watches a room inside your house for motion. The keypad is the physical control panel for Ring Alarm. The range extender expands your network so a distant device can talk to the base station. Together, all these devices make up Ring Alarm. Your Ring Alarm system monitors sensors to put a ring of security in and around your home. Ring Alarm includes 3 security modes to fit your needs. Away monitors all the sensors in and around your home, giving you the most security when you're not there. Home monitors sensors around your home, but ignores the ones inside, giving you freedom to move around your home. Disarmed doesn't monitor any sensors, allowing you to go in and out easily. These 3 modes allow you to keep your home's security in sync with you. You can change your security mode from the Ring app or keypad. To change modes using the app, open the dashboard, then tap the new mode. To change modes on the keypad, enter your 4-digit access code, then choose the new mode. As an owner, you can add shared users and assign each of them unique 4-digit access codes. When Ring Alarm is set to Away and Armed or Home and Armed, it monitors sensors in your home. If a door opens or a sensor detects motion, the system will alarm. If you're signed up for professional monitoring and out of the 7-day practice mode, you'll get a call asking if everything's okay. If you can't be reached, the monitoring center will call your other emergency contact. If either you or your emergency contact confirm things are wrong or give an incorrect verbal password, the local authorities will be dispatched to you. When they come, they'll make sure you're okay, then walk you through the premises to check the area. If the authorities are dispatched but find nothing wrong, you may be charged a false alarm fee. There are a few things you can do to eliminate false alarms. First, make sure your emergency contact's information is up to date and that they know your verbal password. The verbal password lets the alarm company know that the person they're talking to is authorized to make decisions about your safety. You can change it in the monitoring settings of your Ring app. Second, make sure that you've installed your sensors properly. Finally, review the system with your family and be sure they understand how to use Ring Alarm and its security modes. Welcome to our neighborhood. With Ring, you're always home.
Welcome to SimplySafe.
SimplySafe protects your home with multiple layers of defense. Outside, cameras keep constant watch over your property, and our yard sign wards off would-be intruders. Entry sensors and smart locks are your next level of security. They guard your windows and doors. Then, inside your home, motion and glass break sensors provide even more protection. So the only people who get in your house are the people you want in your house. And it's all backed by our professional monitoring, a team of highly trained individuals who are ready to dispatch emergency responders anytime, day or night. Here's how it works. When your system is armed for Home, it activates all your windows and door sensors, but keeps your motion sensors off so you can move about your house freely. When your system is armed for Away, it activates your motion sensors inside your home for additional protection. In either mode, if someone does try to break in, a sensor will be tripped, which sounds the system's powerful alarm while simultaneously alerting our monitoring center. You'll immediately receive a call, and unless you provide your safe word, like this for example, police will be on their way pronto. The SimplySafe system comes with 2 additional safeguards: a silent panic button, perfect for small businesses, and a duress pin, a code you can enter if someone is forcing you to disarm your system that secretly alerts us to send help. Every component of a SimplySafe system is engineered with cutting-edge technology to deliver the very best whole home protection. Oh, and by the way, it's all really simple to use.
SimplySafe on.
Meet Ring Alarm Pro, a first-of-its-kind security system that helps protect your home and your network. With a secure Eero Wi-Fi 6 router built into one of the easiest alarm systems on the planet, it's the future of home security.
The future? I try not to think about that.
Clearly. Ring Alarm Pro is the first device ever to combine the peace of mind of home security and a Wi-Fi 6 router with awesome network security for a consistently strong signal across your home. So whether it's intruders, fires, floods, digital threats,
or how about just some better Wi-Fi around here?
yeah, that too. Ring Alarm Pro makes it simple. When was the last time you upgraded your Wi-Fi?
A few years ago.
Ring Alarm Pro's Wi-Fi 6 network supports fast speeds to more devices across your home. So all of your devices connect better than ever. And you can browse, stream, and video chat like never before, all on an Eero Wi-Fi 6 network designed to protect you from digital threats and protect your privacy.
Okay, but what happens when the internet goes down?
No internet? No problem. With a Ring Protect Pro subscription, you'll have LTE backup to keep you and your Ring devices online and ready to protect. Add a Ring Power Pack and you're covered even when the power goes out. The Ring Protect Pro subscription adds another layer of protection, all backed by
24/7.
Yeah,
And award-winning.
professional monitoring. You're fast.
It's why we're here.
It's easy to install and connects to all of your Ring devices, like Ring cameras and Ring doorbells. Even Alexa.
Alexa, arm ring away.
Ring is armed in away mode.
Ring Alarm Pro, the home protecting, Wi-Fi blanketing, digital threat fighting, peace of mind giving, always on, always ready, future of home protection.
The Abode Essentials Kit contains everything you need to get started with the smart home security system, and it's incredibly easy to install. The Essentials Kit includes the gateway, the heart of the Abode home security system, which has a built-in siren, battery, and cellular backup, one mini door window sensor, one indoor motion sensor, one remote key fob to easily arm or disarm your system, and broad smart home technology support with Zigbee, Z-Wave, and Abode RF connectivity built in, allowing you to connect all of your favorite smart home products to one central system that you control. The gateway also includes Abode's powerful automation engine, which means you can customize your home's devices according to your lifestyle and needs, and access to your Abode system through the free mobile and web apps to review activity in your home, set up customizations and rules, and keep an eye on things when you're home or away. The Abode Essentials Kit helps you get started, but is also flexible and allows you to add other products to build the smart home security system that makes sense for you and your home.
Can your bat reassure you all the windows are closed? Can the broomstick keep an eye on the family room? Can your dog text you if the front door opens? Scout can. Meet Scout, a new breed of home security. Scout is a security system designed to be as flexible as you are. It's built to fit your needs and lifestyle. Scout is simple to set up, contract-free, and easy to expand. So as your needs change, it's right there with you. Scout's app keeps you protected and connected at all times. You can arm and disarm the system remotely, grant access to your trusted network, and personalize Scout to monitor almost anything in your home. Scout stays up and running under any condition, even if the power goes out. And if you feel safer leaving it to professionals, Pro monitoring is available. Feel more secure on your terms. Scout, a new breed of home security.